Hey friends, if you wish to automatically translate web pages in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then you can scroll down and select settings. So in the settings menu, use the word translate, search for translate. You'll find the option for use Google Translate here, and this is turned on by default. You can change the language to which you want translated now, or since English is the only language that I know, I will select English. Now there's an option which says automatically translate these languages. If there's any specific language that you want translated to English every time, click on add. If you don't add it, it will still translate, but it will prompt for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.